This is an E7 chord. I'm playing a baritone, and it sounds like an E7. And of course, if I strum it, it's cool. It sounds good. This is also an E7. That sounds way cooler, doesn't it? All right, so check it out. What I'm doing is I'm playing just the 2 middle strings, and I'm gonna hammer on that first fret right here on the G string. And your middle finger is gonna cover the 2 frets of the middle strings. Then I'm gonna use that middle finger, slide it up to the 4th fret on the G string, and then my index right here on the 3rd fret. So I get, and then back to 2 and 2. So what we've done is we've done something called a shuffle, right? And a shuffle is a blues rhythm. You can hear it in the, but we just took that to a whole nother level. Now again, this is an E7. So if you wanted to mix it up, you layer it over with an A7 right there and a B7, and you have something that sounds really good. Now we're cooking. A7, back to the shuffle. B7, A7, and then here we'll get a little fancy. Because we can, right? And that is just a really simple basic idea, again called the shuffle, to get you thinking about rhythm and chords just a little bit differently. At E7, 4 notes, right? But you can play those 4 notes any way you want. So that's just a very basic introduction to the idea of a shuffle. After that, it's kind of up to you how far you want to take it. So there you go. Introduction to a shuffle on the baritone ukulele.